All right, I need someone.
Yeah.
To be my moral compass here.
Yes.
Do it.
I can't. It's a pun.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it for the game.
Do it.
Do it for the
When, if not now?
What would Jill do?
This isn't on me. This isn't on me.
I take full responsibility.
You better take no responsibility at all.
Post up.
This is on Snake for what he's
Ooh.
doing.
Ooh.
I want you to be standing by what you do.
Nope, this isn't me.
Okay.
You can sit by what you do if you want
You
to.
all ready to laugh?
I hit joke for
I
me for the
can't
second
hear
one, man. I
you.
worked
So
did I.
Real. I have tonight. Please welcome our first comic.
Oh no.
Yes.
Good
Mr.
luck.
Snake.
I don't know, perform the joke,
Don't
I
forget to
guess.
say your catchphrase.
Don't forget your catchphrase.
You ever notice how menus are just a fancy version of choose your own adventure books? You pay more and are still disappointed.
You sound
Sounded like
Disappointed.
close to home.
Yeah.
you honestly sounded like a sad version of the Trump bot.
Have you
Oh.
ever tried penguining? That's not what it said. That's when you overdress for every occasion.
What did it say?
It said penning. They did not have the Gwyn.
Oh.
Get fucked.
I was like, what the fuck?
Okay, judges, render your verdict.
Well done, everyone.
Yeah, well done.
Well done.
That wasn't the one.
It gives me anxiety.
Yeah.
Dude, trust me, no one's good at writing jokes unless they write jokes or they're Sid. Sid writes jokes though, so who knows?
The first round of this is always really shit. Oh, if it does joke for me, it probably just fills everything in.
Yeah.
I call my bedroom the art museum. Because it's quiet and nobody visits.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Stinky much?
Ooh.
Oh god, why?
Uh,
That's the purpose. I'm so old. I remember when John was long and simple. Try the underworld.
that was actually really good.
These are good.
That's like Sid level tier. That's really good.
Fuck, dude. God damn it. I'm sorry, Raven.
Yeah, you
wish I
both
had
did
a-
good.
Yeah, you both did fucking amazing. Have you thought about trying comedy?
Wow, that was so fucking close.
Damn.
That was super close. Holy shit.
Our next
Damn.
comic needs an introduction.
Wait.
My doctor said I have a bad case of the tacos. Because I just can't talk about it.
Damn it. Say the line!
All right,
Oh.
Naomi, you have to read this one.
Oh, okay. I want to open a store that only sells aliens and call it IKEA 51.
That's really good.
I like it. I like it.
Spicy emotion. Wow.
Sorry, Insayno.
And I respect it.
Insayno
I like how when
also
Insayno went up.
did good too. Like, I'm giving it to
That was good.
Insayno because, like, if anything, Snake cheated by getting a second person to assist. Like, if the ref saw that in wrestling, he'd throw Snake out, but the ref was looking away. You know,
Yep.
And
he was
some
getting distracted.
credit to you.
Oh.
Make some noise for our next comic.
Oh shit.
Forgot we had
Hi,
two.
North.
My love life is like Vincent van Gogh. Not worth the crazy. Yeah, couldn't think of that one.
Try the underworld.
What are these punchlines?
That's
They're
just
your
your punchline.
catchphrase.
You pick it when you make your character.
My magnum opus.
Okay.
Middle school for me was like Jimothy. A rat just gave me a hand job.
Nice.
Stinker much?
It doesn't even make sense. It doesn't even.
But it's true.
Where the rats at, chat? What up?
I'm gonna vote for it, but it doesn't make
A rat
sense.
just gave me a hand job. Very good shit, brother.
God.
Oh,
Rats.
shit.
Know your
That
audience,
was a point
dude.
for you as well.
You're right.
Know your audience, indeed.
Let's keep this joke boat moving and welcome our next comic to the stage.
Yeah, cat girl.
Yeah.
I like my friends. Like I like my dress shoes. Caressing my feet.
Oh.
Sneezing and feet?
Don't go down the feet path.
Here
No.
we go.
Oh.
My nickname is Rusted Shovel. Because I'm no longer useful.
Oh.
Damn.
Ouch.
Ow.
And that's the
Hello, Tater Tot.
sound of silence.
Oh.
In restless sheds I walk alone.
10,000 streets of cobblestone.
Hell yeah, I'm glad I lost.
Yeah, you want to lose, bruh?
Yeah, bruh.
Oh, okay, bruh.
All right, let's hear it for our next comedian.
Am I gonna be up against Bear?
This one's so bad.
I am.
Oh, here we go.
I'm a nasty little sensitive
Oh,
cookie
no. No.
because Daddy said so.
Oh dear.
There's noodle time.
All right. I got this. My family's like crowded.
Oh, no.
Give me more money.
Oh, no.
My 3-ring binder.
It's where I keep the money.
Chat, don't fall for it.
Oh.
Don't fall for it.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
When I saw
No,
him a nasty
whoa.
little and then sensitive cookie, I had to do
No,
it.
no, whoa. Oh, boy. Thank you, chat.
I
Great
mean,
setup.
I would complain, but they're both true. So, is there really anything to complain about?
Wait a
It's just little
minute.
cookie.
Who is scraping the bottom of the barrel?
If I didn't, then I'm
The
furious.
real tragedy would be not finishing the show. So let's bring back our comics.
I just realized his armpits are really sweaty.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
I was about to say, like, shit,
Oh,
this
that's
is
not the joke.
he's stressed.
I'm a nasty little sensitive cookie
Oh, really?
because I haven't bathed in 16 years and the stains just won't come out.
Wow, that's long. All
They
right.
keep to carry on the winky smile.
A real clash of the titans.
I don't like either of these.
I abstain.
No, vote
can't.
pussy.
No.
You can't abstain. The stains are
Cry, ooh,
won't come out.
You said stains. Vote for stains. He voted. Yay.
It's so
close.
hard to beat
Close.
the original, man. It's so
Good job,
hard.
Nick, good job.
It is.
I mean, there are a lot of crabs in the audience. I like my friends like I like my dress shoes.
Oh yeah.
Hard and uncomfortable.
Oh my. Oh my.
Damn, that was a pretty good one.
Oh,
That's a contender.
that is actually not
Oh,
bad.
my.
Well done.
Thank you.
You gotta get better dress shoes though.
Why would you like that?
That means they're expensive.
Damn. Dominated.
Dude,
Someone said that's not the same, but
Eh, I don't know. I suck at jokes. Stupid.
Bear, what the fuck? What did I do? Dang it, Bear.
middle school for me was like Jimothy. not worth remembering.
Thank you, Raven. Thank you for the free points.
Just did Jimothy bad like that.
To be
Poor
fair,
Jimothy.
Raven doesn't know Jimothy. Raven has no idea.
What a shame.
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right.
Not a clue.
You know what? Someone here was okay.
Whoa!
Holy fuck.
Apparently other
Wait, what?
people don't either.
Yeah.
Oh. God. Fuck. Have you ever tried penguining? That's when you find true love and pair for life.
Aw,
Happy feet.
good movie.
Back to feet.
You know, I haven't tried penguining. You're right.
Yeah, it's something I want to give a shot one of these days.
Penguining?
Oh. Find true love and pair for life?
God damn.
You know, eagles do that too.
You know, Cry, I'm pretty sure I proposed to you last week. You turned me down. So are you
Yeah,
really
but,
trying?
like, I feel like
you
you just
proposed
want
to
me on
him, too?
rebound.
Stay away. I was gonna find out this way. Hey,
Find
wait
out
a
the winner
minute.
of this beautiful and fully functioning
Exactly.
Life Fest.
What the fuck, Bear?
Why?
You
Why
did
not?
it! You did it! You're the Joker.
Oh, metodo gozaimasu.
Oh,
Bride.
Brave, sneaky bride.
Whose bride am I?
somebody's saying
Danny
maybe.
DeVito.
The princess bride?
My favorite little lab rat with the most total science pellets is...